Welcome everyone on this Spring Boot tutorial. So today we'll create a Spring Boot project with Kafka. So first in this tutorial we'll practice Kafka without Spring Boot. So we are on the left part, just here, hands on Kafka. So first we'll download Kafka zip file, then start Kafka Zookeeper, then start Kafka broker server to be able to create a Kafka topic. Then we'll start a consumer on this topic. Then we'll start a producer on this topic, so we'll be able to send data from the producer to the consumer, and we'll see those data in the consumer. And in the second part of this tutorial, we'll create a Spring Boot project with a Kafka configuration to be able to publish data to the created topic in the first part. So let's go. So first you have to download Kafka zip file. So to do that, we'll go to some browser. It's coming. So here you have to go to Kafka Apache org download, and here you can choose the version. And you have to download the binary downloads. For example, this one. So I already downloaded the Kafka zip file just here. At the Kafka directory, you will find a bin directory and some batch for Linux, but I am on Windows, so the full tutorial will be on Windows. So first, let's start the Zookeeper server. So we'll open a Windows command just here. So cd, I will go to my Kafka directory just here, and now I am on the right directory. So first we have to start Zookeeper. So start, and the Zookeeper script is on bin, then Windows, then Zookeeper server start bat, and we have to specify the config file which is in the config directory. So let's go. So I have my Zookeeper server just here, started. Then I will start the Kafka broker. So here it's Kafka server start, and here is the configuration of the server just here. So let's go. My server is starting well just here. He is connected to Zookeeper like we see in the stack. Then now I will be able to create a topic. So to create a topic, I have to start. So it's the same thing, bin, Windows, and here Kafka topics. So here I will create a topic named Java Growth. So here are the parameters. So create, we specify the port of the Zookeeper just here. Then some replication factor and partition parameter. And here my topic will be named Java Growth as the YouTube channel. So I'm waiting for the creation of my topic. So Zookeeper is not recognized. There is an error just here. There is 2e Zookeeper. So I have already created Java Growth, so I can create another topic, for example, Java Growth 2. And here I am waiting for the creation of my topic. So here created topic Java Growth. And here in my broker server, we can see the creation of Java Growth 2. Created log for my new topic. So now we are good. So then I will create a consumer on this topic. So to create a consumer on this topic is the same thing. I will go to bin Windows and put this command here. So here I will start a Kafka console consumer, and this is the port of my Bootstrap server just here. And the topic will be Java Growth 2. So here I have my consumer. So I will do the same thing for my producer. So I will be able to produce data and to publish data to my topic Java Growth 2. And here I have my producer. And that's all for this first part. So here on the right I have my producer, and here on the left I have my consumer. So for example, if I write Madrid will win Atlanta, so here my consumer is receiving this information, and I hope that Madrid will win Atlanta. So I can also Modric will score today. So here my consumer is receiving information. Are you receiving all information? And here my consumer is receiving everything. So the first part were good for this first part. So now we'll create a Spring Boot project to be able to publish data to the topic, and we'll see the data just here in the consumer. So I have my STC just here. So here, new project, starter, next. So Spring Kafka project or Kafka project. So here I will take DevTools, web. I don't need MongoDB, I don't need Spring Security, but I need Spring for Apache Kafka. So next, finish. Now I'm waiting to my project to be created just here. And here I can test more thing. I can test anything. And here I am receiving all those information. So my Spring Boot project is created. Kafka project just here. So first I will tell my Spring Boot project that my Kafka is on the port 1992. So it's on the application properties as usual. So just here. So that's my broker, Kafka broker. So here I will create a simple controller. So Kafka controller share. So my controller will be a REST controller, not a SOAP. So REST controller. So now we are good. So we'll create a simple method string. So publish to Kafka. So here I will return something. Here it will be a string message or data. So return the data plus data was successfully published to Kafka. And now we are good. Yes. So here it will be a request param. And it's a post mapping controller. And here it will be publish, and that's all. I am waiting for Eclipse as usual. So here I will need a Kafka template as here. So here I am saying I'm working with string, not Java object. Maybe we'll see that in next tutorial. So I have to import AutoWired, I have to import this, and I have to import Kafka template. So here Kafka template I will send. So here it must be a topic, and here my data. So my data is the data I will send in my request, and the topic, I don't know if we have a good memory, it's Java Growth 2. So I can put it in a constant here. So here it's a Kafka topic, and we are done. So to do some clean stuff, I will put a try catch. So my template will send a message, and if there is an exception, so error during publishing data to Kafka, and we are done. And that's all. So I will start my project, Kafka project, started. Then I will open Postman, just here. So my Postman will post a message to the Kafka topic, and normally we'll see the data in the consumer, just here. So in the producer, new data from Spring Boot are coming. So here I have received my message, and I can put underscore to put a separation between the data I received from my producer and the data I will receive from my Spring Boot application. So Madrid will win. So Cristiano will be back, I hope. So my project is up just here. So now if I publish the message, So I have an error, required parameter data. Sorry, because here it's message. So send, and here in my consumer I just received this message. So in my Spring Boot application, I can put a breakpoint just here. I can restart my project in debug mode just to be able to see what's going on. So it started thanks to DevTools, very fast. So now I will send my message. So here I am in debug in a breakpoint. Source, so add Java project, okay, Kafka project, yes. Okay, I don't know why I have this problem. So here my breakpoint is just here, so we can go inside what's going on. So here it's internal class Kafka template. So it's creating a producer record, then do send, and in do send it's doing many stuff. So here, after, if you are curious, you can go to see what's going on in more details. So now we are good. Some last test. I like testing when it's working, of course. So Cristiano will be going back 2 times. Atlanta is not winning. So here in my consumer, I still receive message. So AstraZeneca is weird stuff. Send. And here I have my message that it's successfully published to Kafka. And I am receiving this just here in my consumer. So we have seen the second part to create Spring Boot project, be able to publish message to the topic. So in the next tutorial, in the second part, we will see how to listen to message in the Spring Boot application. So instead of having a consumer just here, we'll have our consumer in Spring Boot application, because now we're just doing publication, but we'll listen to message. And in the second part, we'll be able to send object, Java object, and not just string. So we'll be able to publish Java object and listen and receive those Java object. So thanks for watching. Don't hesitate if you have some comment of it's not working, I can always help you. And please subscribe to my channel so I can do more stuff, and it's very encouraging for the next tutorial. So thanks, see you next time.